Let me tell you a quick story. A lot of people don't like crows. They're so audacious and doggone, they just crow and all this stuff. But I kind of get a kick out of them. And I was looking at these two crows with a buddy of mine, and I said, I understand what God was doing with crows. I think they're kind of cartoon-like, and I kind of like crows. And you guys, this crow gets up and goes whoo, right by my face. And just did a big barrel roll. I said, God, thank you. I feel like God was saying thank you to me, and just saying thank you. I like my crows too, Thank you for appreciating my design. Because most people don't thank God for all of his many blessings. I think he appreciates it when we do. Mighty to Save is on page 1, am I right? Page 2.